Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and I'm going to show you how you can reserve your Samsung Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus right now. Let's go ahead and check it out. Now, on Samsung's website, you can go today and reserve your S9 or S9 Plus, but there is a catch. First, let's go through the process so you can see what's involved and how you can have one on hold just for you. So come to Samsung's website, and once you get to Samsung's website, you're going to be introduced with this page. You'll notice where it says here, reserve now. You're going to choose the reserve now, and you're going to go through some questions. Obviously, you're going to choose which device you're going to want. Don't freak out by the price that you see here, because you notice that there's some financing available. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose the S9 Plus because that's, I think, the most popular phone that people are going to be getting because of the dual camera. Also, it has a bigger battery and just overall a 6.2-inch screen. Now, there's a couple of choices. You'll notice down here that there is a trade-in value. So you can trade up a phone and get up to $350. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose this one right here. And now this is where the catch comes in. Notice how it says coming soon, coming soon, coming soon, coming soon. But the unlocked version is available now. I'm going to choose the unlocked. And now what I could do is choose my color, right? So I'm going to choose black in my case. And then I can determine if I'm going to trade in a phone. Now, there's some really good options here. So let's go ahead and look at some of the phone trade-in options for those of you who are interested in this. Now, you'll notice here that we have the full Galaxy line here, going all the way up to Note 5, which you get $150 for. You could also get, cracked or damaged devices. But if you have an S8 or an S8 Plus that you want to trade in, you'll get $350. And that is probably not the best price that you can get. If you put it on Craigslist or OfferUp, you could probably get a little bit more, especially if it's unlocked. I've seen them going for up to $550. But if you're looking for a no hassle, you don't want to have to deal with the person trade-in, this may be good for you. You also have the S7 Edge that you can trade in, right? So let's go back to brand so we can see the other option. If you have a LG, and if you have a V30 or you have a V20, V30 you're going to get 300, and you can see what you'd be getting for the V20 and the G6. Let's look at Apple. And again, for an iPhone 10, this is like the worst deal ever because you're talking about a phone that's over $1,000 and you only get $354. No, thank you. And you can see what's going on with some of the other ones. I think that for, I don't know what the retail value would be for an iPhone 6. I still think that this isn't generous enough for you to consider to move and trade it in. So we're going to go ahead and go back to brand. And then the last one we'll look at is Google. So Google Pixel 300, Pixel 2 XL, and then you can see what you can get for some of the original Pixels. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back and I'm going to pretend that I'm going to choose a S8 Plus. And then what you have is, with the trade-in value, $489 is what your price would be. And then what you could do is reserve. Now notice what it says right here. You'll will receive an email notification on March 2nd to complete your order. When you receive the notification, you'll have 72 hours to complete it, and you won't be charged for your pre-order. So all you have to do is do that reservation. And I guess Samsung expects that the phones are going to be pretty hot, and they're giving you the ability to just reserve it. So if you're in a position where you can get an unlocked version, unlocked meaning you can use it with any carrier, then this may be a choice for you. I often go with unlocked phones. I'm with AT&T, but I also have a T-Mobile account, and I like being able to test the network on either side. So I typically go with an unlocked phone. Again, very palatable, very easy to eat. This price as compared to the $839. And for those of you who are uncomfortable with the trade-in experience, I've traded in maybe 3 times now with Samsung, and my experience has been always very positive. I've never been shortchanged. They've been honest with their trade-in value, and it's been a good deal. So there you have it. This is what you can do to reserve your phone today and not have to wait and be concerned that you may not be able to get a phone, even though that's never been the case with Samsung. So thanks again for watching. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and that like button as well. And we're going to have more stuff, a lot of stuff for the S9 Plus coming in the channel. So I'll see you in the next one.